Welcome back to Car Spot, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, auto news, and everything on wheels. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Cobalt, a name that's making a bold comeback with a modern twist. Once known as a budget-friendly compact, the Cobalt now returns with fresh styling, upgraded tech, and a surprising level of refinement. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Cobalt features a sleek, aerodynamic body with sharp LED headlights and a sculpted front grille that gives it a more aggressive and sporty appeal. It's clear that Chevrolet aimed for a youthful, modern audience with this design. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing around 160 horsepower, more than enough for daily driving and highway cruising. It's paired with either a CVT or a 6-speed manual, depending on your preference. Chevy claims improved fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both city drivers and long-distance commuters. Inside, the Cobalt surprises with a clean, minimalist dashboard featuring a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials feel more premium than you'd expect in this class, and there's decent room for both front and rear passengers. Safety hasn't been ignored either. The 2025 Cobalt comes standard with automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a rear-view camera, offering peace of mind whether you're in traffic or on the open road. One standout feature is the new Smart Drive mode, which adapts throttle and steering response based on your driving habits. It's a nice touch that adds a level of intelligence to the driving experience. So, who is the Cobalt for? It's perfect for young professionals, small families, or anyone looking for a stylish, efficient, and tech-packed compact sedan that won't break the bank. Thanks for watching this review on Car Spot.